hope all is well with you. My name is BG. You might have seen in the show titled Adjusted on TapTapFlix.com, TapTapFlix on YouTube, New Scoop on Roku, Bass and Blue TV on Roku and as well as YouTube. It's a pleasure for me to host this segment of the show, as I like to promote businesses in the local communities. In this segment, we're going to highlight the skincare product brand called DanyBrite along with the importance of good skin hygiene. To start off, I'd like to state that, granted your skin is the largest organ in your body and plays a vital role in regulating your body's temperature, insulation and production of vitamin D, means that it has a huge impact on your overall physical health. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle requires maintaining good skin hygiene, which further ensures that your entire body remains healthy. Things you can do every day to develop a healthy skin hygiene routine include: always wash your hands before you touch your face, as your hands pick up so much dirt and bacteria throughout the day that you may not even see. By touching your face, you're just adding more dirt and bacteria to your skin. That's why, even if you're really tired after a long day, before you crash into bed, wash up, exfoliate and moisturize before you go to sleep. Washing up gets rid of the top level of dirt and bacteria, while exfoliating goes deeper and helps keep your pores open and clean. Moisturizing your skin daily or nightly helps keep your skin hydrated, healthy and protected from impurities. Start this strict regimen or routine and you should start seeing improvement within just a few weeks. Supporting this, it is primordial to check with dermatologists on a regular basis for professional guidance. That being said, today we're highlighting DanyBrite, a skincare product company that is helping the community by offering a product line that includes body soaps, skin oil as well as body cream to help realize and maintain that healthy skin and look. DanyBrite products help achieve skincare goals that were previously thought of being unrealistic. DanyBrite's mission rests on the following four main pillars. First pillar, DanyBrite also encourages entrepreneurship, as the company offers business opportunities to current or future entrepreneurs to find or develop their niche within the well-established market. The skincare product market is experiencing exponential growth, and is expected to reach $463.5 billion, with a B, by 2027 at a compounded annual growth rate of 5.3%. Second pillar, DanyBrite is an inclusive company that aims to satisfy all beauty desires, regardless of your racial and or demographic background. Third pillar, DanyBrite values responsible beauty. Fourth pillar, DanyBrite consistently nurtures a culture of innovative and inclusive beauty. For more information, you can contact DanyBrite via phone either at 857-237-3801 or via their website at www.DanyBrite.com. At this juncture, I want to thank DanyBrite for their work in the community, as well as continued success to them and their customers. Thank you for watching this segment. Please subscribe to our channel to receive automatic updates. Likewise, please share the info and link with your family and friends. More importantly, please stay safe and healthy and take care of your friends and family.